So chat, so while I was doing the live earlier today, alright, so this is the beetroot. Hey chat, welcome back to my channel. I just cooked some ackee and saltfish. Yeah, looking good, don't it chat? Yeah, and I'm gonna have it with some yesterday rice. Alright, I'm gonna make some beetroot cucumber carrot juice. I will show you that in a moment, but first make us share out this. Right, plate number one. Made this beetroot cucumber carrot juice on the live earlier, so you can watch it on the live if you want to know how to make it. Easy peasy. So 1 jug of beetroot juice. Yum yum yum. Oh, where's my manners? Cheers. Oh, it's so good. Check me cut to the braid, yeah. One pigtail down, one to go. Make your nice and curly. Just nice and curly. Hello, chat. Very nice and curly. Quality hair. On the wings of love. So chat, so while I was doing the live earlier today, someone commented saying that when will be the next river vlog and when will be the next camping vlog. We're in a fall, so it's the river dirty. And if I'm going to the river, I have to program myself to say, all right, I'm gonna go to the river Sunday or probably during the week. If I go by myself, then I'm more likely to be probably me alone. But on a Sunday, sometimes people busy and so. And not only that, and I have to charter the taxi to take me to the river. So the river is not even walking distance, much as I live in town. You have to charter a taxi for the river. Mm-hmm. All right, so I've been to Miami River what twice? Either 2 or 3 times. So I told the guys I wanted to go to Burger River. It's close by Miami River. Hmm. So I don't know if it will be possible for me to go to Burger River. And there's another river, but they're way up. I think they like when you go on the hill. It's called Riders River. But the one that was too far. But I really like to go there one day also. hmm But in the next river adventure, probably I just end up go back to river. And so when I go to that river, when I went to that river, guys, I didn't show you guys the next part, but if I go back, I'm going to look a tour at Miami River. If I end up going back to that river. Alright, the camping now. Yeah, you already seen me camp. I did camping in my yard, to the side of the yard. Yeah, with my camping tent. So I know so the camping tent still in a good condition. I'm sure it's not jarring. For sure. You just put down some around this so in the what you call it, the pouch or whatever it came in. Yeah man. And must say my next camping video would be in the country area. Yeah, that's where I want it to be chat. Yeah man, so don't worry yourself, I will be going back to the country. But the little trip I make to the country during Easter, that was just, check in and bring one and two stuff down there and check see if everybody's alright. Yeah, so so next time I go in there, so I'll be staying longer so you can see the camping video. And I also will be bringing my drone. I need to learn how to use my drone. We can't have it putting a look for me and me a look for the chat. So I'll be taking my drone, so um them get back like down there. So down there is booming and the cell signal is strong. Yeah man. So the camping and the drone activity, it will be done down there in the country area. Oh, and also river too. Yeah, man, river. Cause there's a river nearby. It's walking distance. So I'm not even for myself for that. So, yeah, it's called Oxford River. No, it's called Noisy River. Yeah, Noisy River. So I definitely will be going to that river and keep showing you our Noisy River. All right, chat. So don't I will be giving you the river vlogs and the camping vlogs. So don't worry yourself and just make sure to subscribe to the channel, share the videos and hit the notification bell. Leave a positive comment for Amanda's reality. No sure so river vlog when even want to say and just want to see me in my two-piece. Man, man, anywho, so just subscribe and stay tuned and you eventually or I will eventually do those vlogs. So did y'all watch the carnival vlog? If you haven't watched my carnival vlog as yet, please go and watch it, especially if you're not here in Jamaica, where you could have drive up from any parish, whether down at St. James or wherever, for come experience carnival. Y'all need to watch it. Watch it man and share it and leave positive comments on it.